Hello everyone. There is a big update from Accenture. Finally, Accenture Phase 4 Mega Drive is announced, and Accenture is hiring in two parts. What is the meaning of two parts? Accenture is hiring in two parts, meaning in first part they are hiring for the role of associate software engineer, and for this qualification should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MC, MSc, and all streams are eligible. Year of passing should be 2021, 2020, and 2019. Salary will be 4.5 LPA, and there is no percentage criteria. You should not have any active backlogs, and you should not have more than 1 year of education gap. And now in part 2 they are hiring for multiple roles, like they can put you under maintenance, or they can put you under testing, software testing, based on the business requirements. And for this qualifications should be BSc and BCA, and all streams are eligible. Same year of passing should be 2021, 2020, and 2019, and for this salary will be 2.4 LPA. You should not have any active backlogs, but you can have any number of education gap. Okay, and there is no percentage criteria. So I'll discuss how to apply for this, but before that let me tell you one important thing. If you want to become software developer, but you don't know how to prepare, what to prepare, how to improve your resume, how to crack interview of big MNCs, then no need to worry. Unacademy is here. As you know that Unacademy is the India's one of the largest learning platform, and they will give you complete roadmap, like how to crack interview rounds, how to improve your Coursera profile, how to improve your resume, everything they will guide. Now what you need to do, you just need to get a subscription. After that you will get access to the live classes, you will get access to industry experts, you will get access to innovative courses, you will get unlimited access. In the live classes you can chat and ask your doubts, and you can interact with some of the top level industry experts. And after that you can see there are many live classes, there are top educators in on the Unacademy. There are many courses which are starting soon, and there are many courses which are recently started. Just click here and you can see all the courses which are recently started, and you can learn any of the courses. Like if you want to become web developer, then you can learn the web development. If you want to become Android developer, then you can learn Android developer. No need to worry, just purchase only one subscription and you can watch any of the courses. Now what you need to do, you just need to get a subscription, like just click on the Unacademy. Here click on the get subscription. After that here you can see price is 83 rupees per month, or you can say 999 per year. But if you will use my referral code, my referral code is code Anurag, then apply, then you can see you will get 10% off. So 75 rupees per month is nothing, and 899 rupees per year is nothing. Okay, so 899 rupees is nothing. Just purchase this course, and after that you can get access to all of the courses. Okay, now let me tell you about Ujjwal Kumar Sen. This is Ujjwal Kumar Sen. He teaches digital marketing, and daily he teach digital marketing on every Saturday and Sunday afternoon 3 p.m. Okay, so if you want to learn digital marketing, then you can join this course. Okay, you just need to get only one subscription, you can join any of the course. No need to worry. And one more important thing in last, this is the weekly calendar of Unacademy. Here you can see there are a lot of things to learn in 1 week. So you can imagine, if you can learn lot of things in 1 week, so you can, how much you will learn in 1 year. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. Now let's come back to our topic now, how to apply for this job. So first when you click on the apply link, so this is first role for associate software developer. So for this you have to click on the next. Okay, after that here you can see, you can click on the job description, you can read if you have time. Okay, you can read job description, everything. After that what you need to do, you just need to fill the form. Okay, fill all the details carefully and correctly, and please note while choosing your resume and your passport size photograph. Okay, so please upload your only that passport size photograph which has white background color. Okay, which has white background color, otherwise they will not accept. Okay, and please note, if you have applied for ascensor in last 3 months, then you are not eligible. Okay, so please make sure and upload everything. After that, just click on the submit. Okay, so this is for first job, and now second job for BSc. Procedure is same. Just click on next. After that, what you need to do, you have to fill this form. Here you can see the job description. Okay, PWD graduate hiring, and there are multiple roles. You can see there are total 4 5 6 7 roles. Okay, total there are 7 roles. Okay, they are hiring. Now you what need to do, just fill all the forms, fill all the details, and after that click on the submit. And while filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in description box, and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.